Hey friends, this is Latif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Aptos. In today's video, we will take a look at this breakout from this symmetrical triangle, and recently Aptos has broken out another down channel on the 4-hour time frame chart, and you can see it is breaking out every resistance easily. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me to begin with my recent trade setup of Aptos that I shared a few days back. That was a harmonic bullish reversal setup that Aptos formed on the 4-hour time frame chart. And by the way, this was the move. This is the REEF token. This is Aptos, and you can see at that time when I shared this idea, it was completing the final leg of a harmonic bullish reversal guarded move. Therefore, I told my members that we can wait for more drop in order to complete this final leg. And as per the Fibonacci sequence, it should be dropped between $8.95 and goes to $8.58. That was the potential reversal zone of this guard layer, and from there we can expect the reversal move to the upside. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price line dropped more down, completed this final leg, and after the completion we had a very nice reversal move, and so far it has rallied up to $9.63, very close to $10, and I'm expecting that this rally can be continued to the upside. Now if we take a look at this 4-hour time frame chart, then you can see that after this pump, the price line formed this symmetrical triangle here and broke out the resistance on 22nd of October, and we had a big rally. And by the way, if we take a look at the target for this breakout from this triangle, then our expected target was here, that was approximately at $9.55, and so far the price line has rallied beyond that, that is $10.33. And during this move you can see that it has also broken out a very significant resistance. This was our key support that we had here at $7, and you can see it was using this level or testing this level as a support again and again, but could not break it down. And this was the resistance. You can see for several days the price line has been rejected by this resistance. Almost for 3 days it has been rejected by this resistance of $7.69, and finally we broke it out here. After the breaking out this triangle, we got rejected by this resistance of $7.69 and retested the previous resistance of the triangle as a support, and then we had another very nice rally from this low, or after the breakout. We can see that after the breakout, this is so far almost 38% rally. And now here we found another resistance to the downside, and that was another formation of a down channel. Here we got the resistance, here we got the support of this channel. Now we have broken out the resistance, but we are rejected by this next resistance of $9.30, and it is still struggling to break out this next resistance of $9.30. Now if we switch to the hourly time frame chart from here, this was the 4-hour time frame chart, and now we are on the hourly time frame chart. Then after breaking out this channel, this move has formed another rising wedge pattern. That is, by the way, a bearish bias pattern, and in most of the cases the price line breaks down the support. But this time you can see that we have already this harmonic bullish reversal setup, and at the same time it has already broken out this resistance of the down channel, and therefore I'm expecting that it can break out this resistance of the rising wedge pattern. This time the resistance of the rising wedge pattern will be here at approximately $9.72, and before that we also have this resistance of $9.30 that has been working as a support and resistance previously as well. Therefore it will be slightly difficult for the price line to start a reversal move, and after breaking out we can expect an imminent move after the breakout of this $9.30 up to this resistance of the wedge. Now for example, if the price line breaks out the resistance of the wedge, in that situation we can expect the target to the upside that can be here. That will be approximately at $10.35, and for example if we break down, then it can drop at the bottom of the wedge, that is $8.55. But in my point of view, if we break down the hourly rising wedge pattern, then we can retest the previous resistance of the channel as a support, and that is approximately at this bottom of the wedge. And you can see it is showing us at $8.55 to 57 cents, and this support will be at $8.80. And after testing this previous resistance of the channel as a support, we can expect another reversal move to the upside. However, in case of breakout, you can see it is showing us the projection up to $10.35. So we can expect that in that situation, it will also break out this key resistance or the final resistance of $10 as well. And then this resistance will be flipped into a support, and then we can expect a very massive rally from here. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.